Josh here with another bench break, and I have Coach Brady and Coach Ashley just to let you know. Did you know we had giveaways? Criticalbench has tons of giveaways. We're just going to go ahead and let you know what our favorites are, so you just make sure you get yours. So I'll go ahead and start off with Brady today.
Yeah, so I'm going to talk about sliders. So these are my favorite because of how versatile they are. So so I work out in my garage a lot. I don't have access to a lot of machines, and these can mimic a lot of machines. So the one I'm really thinking about is a hamstring curl. It can be really hard to do without a hamstring curl machine, but these easily, if I'm in my garage, they just sit in the corner. But if I'm bringing them to the gym, easily slide into my gym bag. They don't take up a ton of space, and I just bust them out, and I put them under my heels and do hamstring curls, bridges. Great to, again, mimic a machine that you don't have access to. So versatility.
All right, and I have got some mini bands. These are my absolute favorite. I love these for traveling, first of all. You can bring these anywhere, get in a quick workout, however much time that you have, just get in really quick, get some nice resistance since it's really hard to bring dumbbells with you while you're traveling. But also you can use it at the gym. Use it as a superset. Once you do like some heavy dumbbell work, put on some bands and just do a quick little superset, really burn out that muscle. You can also use it for your upper body, so don't be scared. You can put it on your arms, get a little back motion, get a little shoulder work in, use it on your legs, use it on your ankles. You can target almost every muscle with the bands. You can also even attach, you can get a little bit longer bands, you can attach it to a piece of equipment and make it a little bit less hard for you on the eccentric way down, and that band will kind of like spring its way up and help you get all the way up. So bands are so versatile. You should definitely get these. These are free, so why not? Go ahead and grab them. We got a link for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get some more giveaways and give you guys some more free stuff. Who doesn't want free stuff?
That's right. But guys, it's really in the 5-minute glute workout. Let's be honest. Glutes are the ones that everyone's trying to work out, get bigger. Sometimes people are doing surgery, but that's okay. But listen, 5 minutes. Who doesn't have 5 minutes? It's free as well. As long as you have an iPad, a phone, you can download the link and get in those 5 minutes of just working out your lower body. You can do it 3 times a week or twice, So as much as like the sliders are great, the bands are awesome. The 5-minute workout is just amazing. And it's also free. So yeah, make sure to click at the link below and choose your favorite out of ours. We just told you what our favorites are. But of course, overall, they're all great. So just make sure you grab one or a couple. So thanks so much for joining in on this bench break, and we'll see you next week. Bye.